Earthquake common sense. What causes earthquakes and where do they happen? Earthquakes are caused by moving or tectonic plates, which are large pieces of earth crust that move and interact with others. The Earth's crust is made up to surface tectonics, plates that are constantly moving, colliding, and sliding past each other. When two plates collide or rub against each other, they can create pressures and frictions that cause the Earth's crust to shift and shake, resulting in an earthquake. Most earthquakes occur at the boundaries of these decaying plates, known as love lines. When the pressure and friction between two plates builds up to a critical point, the energy is released in the form of seismic waves, which are the variables that can be felt during an earthquake. Earthquakes can happen anywhere in the world, but they are more common in areas where tectonic plates meet. The areas include the Pacific Ring of Fire, which is a region that features the Pacific Ocean is known for its high frequency of earthquake and volcanic eruption, as well as April belt, which intended for Europe to Asia includes areas such as the Hadra. However, earthquakes can also occur in areas that are not located near tectonic plates, bounding such as in the middle of tectonic plates, where surges can build up to event cause the Earth's crust to rupture. These earthquakes are known as impression earthquakes and are less common than those that occur at plate boundaries. Overall, earthquakes are a richer natural process that occur as a result of the movement and international tectonic plates, which they can be happening anywhere in the world. They are most common. Why do the earth shake when there is an earthquake? The earth shakes during an earthquake because of the moved tectonic plates, which are large plates of earthquake crust that fit together like a drumroll produce. When two tectonic plates collide or rub against each other, they can become stuck, and the energy that builds up as a result can cause the group to shake violently. During an earthquake, the energy that has built up is released in the form of seismic waves, which travel the Earth's crust and crush the ground shakes. The waves have a short to between or whatever and can be caused during the building, trees, and other structures. How are earthquakes recorded? How do the scientists measure the size of earthquake? How can scientists tell where the earthquake happened? Earthquakes are types recorded by scientists which are intermittent remote variety of seismic waves that travel through the Earth's crust during an earthquake. Sediments are usually located in the underground or other stable structures and can decay scientists wave from earthquakes that occur anywhere on the planet. Scientists measure the size of earthquakes using a technique called the Richter scale of magnitude. The scale will assign number for the earthquake based on the amount of energy that is during the earthquake. The magnitude scale is some meaning that an earthquake while magnitude of 7.0 is 10 times more powerful than an earthquake with a magnitude of 6.0. The largest earthquake even had a magnitude of 9.5. Can scientists predict earthquakes? While scientists have made scientific progress in updating earthquake accuracy predicting when and where they will occur remain two major common, and there is still much learned about this powerful and update. Is there such a thing as earthquake weather? Can some animals or people tell when an earthquake is about to hit? Well, there is no concrete scientific evidence to support the ingress of earthquake. Whether a reliable animal or human presence of earthquake is an area of ongoing research and investigation.